Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you're watching this video. This is our second video, and just as promised in the earlier video, I'm going to take you through how to print something on the screen of your laptop. And without much ado, let me begin by yeah. So we are going to print something on the screen of our laptop. And for us to begin writing any program in C language, the first thing that we need to do is to include a library that contains the tools that are actually engraved by the C language. And that library that we're going to include is hash include. Then we write stdio.h, and then yeah, so that is how we include that library. Then the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to declare a main function. It is in the body of the main function that our program is going to be contained, and our main function is going to be int main. Then now if you look at what I've written int main. Then I'm also writing return 0. Sorry, return 0, like that. Now, then someone might be wondering, why have I written int? Int means that the function, the main function, will be returning an integer if it is executed either successfully or not successfully. Now, in this case, if it is executed successfully, it is going to return 0. But if it is not executed successfully, it normally returns 1. So the tool that we use for printing on the screen of a laptop is simply printf. Then we put double quotation marks and we write what we want to print in between the double quotation marks. In this case, let me write I am a student. Let me write I am a student. Then I finish the string using a semicolon. Semicolons are normally used to finish a string of code, like in this case. So if we put a semicolon here, so this whole line of code is taken as complete. If we don't put this semicolon, then we're going to incur an error. So if you run this, if you look at here, last time during the last video I said that this icon here is used to run, this one here is used to build, but this one does both of them at once. So I can click this, then I give it a bit of time, and if you look at our screen, I am a student has been printed over here. Then what if I want this I am a student to be printed here, then another line is printed just immediately after I am a student. If you want to execute this whole thing here, you click any key on the keyboard of your laptop, but don't click the power button. If you click the power button, then you're going to send your laptop sleeping. So I click any key, then I come here and I include /n. /n is a tool that is used to print a line. So if I run this again, then you notice that now between I am a student and where process returned 0 there is a line that has been printed in between. Now it is not all the time that you must engrave that tool for printing a new line inside what's supposed to be printed. You can still write it as a separate string. So I can remove this and then I write it as a separate string, still using printf. Then I put my double quotation and then I put it there. Because this is a new string, I must also end it using a semicolon, so that this one gets this first printf gets executed, then the next printf also gets executed. So if I run this, If I run it, then you also realize that there is a line existing between I am a student and process returned 0. So that is how you can print something on the screen of your laptop. I hope you enjoyed this session. In our next session, we shall be writing a program that can be able to do for us some mathematics or some arithmetic calculations. We are going to begin by doing the simplest, that is adding any two numbers, or even adding more than two numbers, or even finding the factorials of a number. So uh, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so that you can get more educative contents. Until next time, bye.